Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable Draw V to turn on the torch light in Oneplus 10R smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the settings of the phone. Then you need to swipe up. Then choose Special Features. Now click on the gesture and motions. Now click on the screen of gestures. Now enable the Draw and O to open camera and Draw a V to turn on or turn off flashlight. Now I enabled that. I would turn off the screen. Now you can see when I draw V on the lock screen, it will be enabled the flashlight. Again draw V to turn off the torchlight, and draw the O, automatically open the camera. Draw the V to turn on torchlight. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.